Okay, so this is commandment number 34, which states,
not to rebuild it as a city, Deuteronomy 13, verse 17.
and we're going to read 17 and then 16 and 17 together. So verse DEVARIM 13:17 states, you shall gather together all its booty to the midst of its open square, and you shall burn it in fire completely, the city and all its booty to HASHEM your Elohim, and it shall be an eternal heap, it shall not be rebuilt. Okay, so in context, what's also number 33?
To burn a city that has turned to an idol worship, Deuteronomy 13:17.
I like reading this stuff in context. So 16 and 17 combined is, you shall surely smite the inhabitants of that city with the edge of the sword, lay it waste, and everything that is in it, and its animals with the edge of the sword. You shall gather together all its booty in the midst of its open square, and you shall burn it in fire completely, the city and all its booty to HASHEM your Elohim, and it shall be an eternal heap, it shall not be rebuilt. Now this commandment was issued from the Lord to Israel concerning those nations that were desecrating it during that time period. That doesn't mean go into Houston and do this. Shalom.